It is still raining, which gives me an idea. Can I fly my DJI Spark in the rain? Now it's not fully raining, it's like drizzling now. If you guys hear that wind, it is a little bit windy, so I'm gonna wait maybe 20 minutes or so, see how if the wind calms down or whatnot, and give it a try. Put this Spark to the test and see what oh my god, I'm hearing that wind. I don't know if you guys can hear the wind through the microphone, but man, yeah. So hopefully everything's successful, because if a wind that's too high or something hits it, I may lose it. I mean, it is a long way down there, so let's give it a shot. Yeah. All right, let's see. Showtime.